All right, so in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to perform the barbell row with good form and technique. All right, let's get right into it. So the barbell row, you wanna make sure that your hand placement is correct and your feet placement. For this one, you don't necessarily have to go hip width apart or shoulder width apart. You can just keep your hips in a neutral position, whatever feels comfortable for you, and it's gonna allow you to pull the barbell off the ground with good form and technique. So you can think about your deadlift setup and then pull from there. Here, hand placement, once again, thumbs length away from the edge of the knurling or the edge of where the knurling meets the smooth part of the bar. Now that you know where your hand placement should be and your torso should be, we're gonna demonstrate what you're gonna do during the movement. All right, so here, up, deadlift weight up. We're gonna go to our torso is about 45 to maybe 60 degrees, and then we're gonna pull the barbell right above our belly button, squeezing our shoulder blades together as we're performing the movement. So we're squeezing our shoulder blades together as we're performing this movement, and we're making sure our elbows go at about a 45-degree angle away from our body. We're not here and we're not here. And this is gonna allow for the best position and the best range of motion coming from the shoulder. We don't wanna be tipping forward as we're performing this movement because that's gonna put excessive strain on the front of the shoulder, okay? So keep it back and only go as far as you can while maintaining this position when you're performing this row, all right? So that's how you perform the barbell row. See you in the next video.